Today, the universe has something special to tell you, set to the backdrop of calming music. It's congratulating you because something wonderful is coming your way before tomorrow even begins. Welcome this news with an open heart. Stay full of hope and get ready for the good times that are almost here. Think of it as an early celebration, a nod to all the great things about to come into your life. The universe is gearing you up for a celebration because a pleasant surprise is on its way, and you absolutely deserve it. This message is a friendly nudge to keep your spirits high and your outlook bright. Let go of your worries and uncertainties and concentrate on the good that's soon to enter your life. A positive mindset is powerful. It can pull more happiness and good fortune into your life like a magnet. Meanwhile, there's something you need to know. Someone has installed a camera on your door, watching over you. This unexpected twist comes with a serious note from the cosmos about your safety and privacy. The universe, with its vast understanding, has uncovered something important and a bit unsettling. Someone very close to you, someone you trust and care deeply about, has secretly installed a camera in your home. They did this because they're feeling worried and unsure about what you might be up to when they're not around. It seems that despite the strong bond you share, this person may not fully trust you. They're afraid that you might be involved in things they know nothing about, and this fear has driven them to take a drastic step to keep an eye on you. Now, there's a camera at your door that lets this person watch every move you make, every visitor you welcome, and every moment you spend at home. It's their way of trying to understand what your daily life is really like, driven by their insecurities and doubts about your actions. The universe is bringing this to your attention not just to alert you about this invasion of your privacy, but also to prepare you for the moment when you discover more about this secret surveillance. It's a warning that you are being watched, and that soon all the details will come to light. This revelation might be shocking, but the cosmos is guiding you on how to handle this discovery. You are encouraged to approach any discussions about this issue with a mindset focused on understanding and resolution. It's important to address the situation calmly and to try to see things from the other person's perspective, as difficult as that might be. These conversations could be challenging, but they are also an opportunity to clear up misunderstandings and to strengthen trust between you and the other person. Moreover, the universe is assuring you that with time the whole truth will be revealed. This situation, while uncomfortable, is a chance for growth and healing. It offers both you and the person who installed the camera a moment to reflect on the importance of honesty, trust, and open communication in your relationship. As you navigate through this, remember that the universe often brings challenges into our lives as a way to teach us valuable lessons about love, trust, and forgiveness. By dealing with this situation wisely, you can transform a difficult moment into a stepping stone for building a deeper and more honest relationship. Keep faith that everything will eventually work out for the best, as the universe continues to watch over you and guide you towards a path of greater understanding and peace. The universe is carefully setting things up in a way that reveals the true depth and love within your heart. This is not just a random occurrence, it is a special opportunity given to you to show how much you genuinely care for others. You might have felt misunderstood or doubted by someone important to you. They had their doubts about your intentions and sincerity. However, very soon they will come to realize that their worries were completely unfounded. They will see that their fears and concerns were unnecessary. The universe is gently guiding you to handle this situation with a kind and compassionate heart. It understands that human emotions are complex and sometimes lead people to make mistakes or wrong judgments. This is a chance for you both to open up and talk honestly with each other. Such open and sincere communication can help in rebuilding the trust that might have been shaken. It can mend the bond that you share. As the truth unfolds and everything becomes clearer, the universe foresees a future where forgiveness is possible. It envisions a scenario where making up and healing the relationship can occur. The person who doubted you will come to see how sincere and loving you are. This realization will likely lead them to seek your forgiveness. They will understand that their doubts were misplaced. The stars are aligning in your favor. They are creating a path for both of you to find understanding and mutual respect. This alignment will help you both navigate through this difficult period. It will guide you to overcome this tough spot. Together, you can move past the misunderstanding and live in harmony and peace. This experience, though challenging, is an opportunity for growth. It allows you to show your true character and the depth of your love. It also gives the other person a chance to see you in a new light. With patience, kindness, and open communication, you both can come out of this stronger and more connected. The universe is supporting you every step of the way, ensuring that a brighter, more understanding future is possible. Life is always full of surprises, and sometimes the universe throws good things our way when we least expect it. This message is telling you to stay open and ready to catch the good vibes coming your way, especially during tough times. The universe is asking you to be strong and resilient. This challenging situation might be tough, but it's also a chance to grow, understand more, and strengthen your relationships with others. The universe trusts that you can handle these challenges with grace and come out even stronger. As you walk this path, keep in mind that the universe is cheering you on, hoping this experience will lead to more trust, closer connections, and a peaceful life together. Remember, good moments can pop up out of nowhere, making you smile when you least expect it. The universe is inviting you to stay in the moment, ready to enjoy the happiness that's about to unfold. Let the healing power of love and forgiveness comfort you. Say amen to accept all the good things the universe has in store for you. Life is a journey with many twists and turns. Sometimes we face difficulties that seem too hard to bear, but these moments are also opportunities for growth. The universe has a plan for you, even when things seem uncertain. It believes in your strength and your ability to overcome obstacles. When you face tough times, remember that these are the moments that build your character and make you stronger. They help you learn more about yourself and the people around you. They also help you appreciate the good times even more. The universe is always by your side, guiding you and providing support. It wants you to know that you are never alone. Even when things feel overwhelming, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel, and the universe is leading you toward it. This challenging time will pass, and you will emerge from it with a deeper understanding of life and a stronger connection to those you care about. Good things are on the horizon, even if you can't see them right now. The universe is working behind the scenes, arranging everything to bring joy and peace into your life. It might come in small, unexpected moments that make you smile, or in bigger, more significant events that bring lasting happiness. Stay open to these possibilities and ready to embrace them when they come. Living in the moment is important. It allows you to fully experience and appreciate the good things that come your way. The universe is encouraging you to let go of past hurts and future worries. Focus on the present and find joy in the here and now. This mindset will help you to be more at peace and to better handle whatever comes your way. The power of love and forgiveness is immense. It can heal wounds, mend relationships, and bring peace to your heart. The universe wants you to tap into this power and use it to improve your life and the lives of those around you. Forgive those who have wronged you, and seek forgiveness from those you have wronged. Let love guide your actions and decisions. As you move forward, remember to say amen to all the good things the universe has in store for you. This is a way of accepting and welcoming the positive changes and blessings that are coming your way. It is an affirmation of your belief in the goodness of the universe and your readiness to receive its gifts. In conclusion, life is unpredictable and full of surprises. The universe is always working to bring good things into your life, even when you are facing challenges. Stay strong, resilient, and open to the positive vibes coming your way. Trust that the universe has a plan for you and that it is leading you toward a brighter, happier future. Embrace the present, let love and forgiveness guide you, and be ready to welcome all the good things the universe has prepared for you. Show your support by giving super thanks up to $20.